Okay. Sorry. Actually couldn't decide what pants to wear. Does anybody know what that's like? No one can see my pants. It's probably no one here. Decided that it's better if I just don't look at how many people are here. Just pretend. I'm trying to move the computer closer to me. Scrooge! It doesn't work. It doesn't work. The thing with the what? Where? I changed it. I always change it. Get out of here. I will restart. I will turn this car around. Back. All right. It's not Thursday. Maybe it reset for some reason. Let's take a poll. Should I restart the stream? Should I restart the stream to make the title accurate? Okay. I had a good title though. My title was Building Social-Fi, also known as how many times can I say token in an hour? I don't really want to do it. I don't want to say token 100 times an hour, but that's what's going to happen. I haven't looked at it since Thursday, so maybe it's still like an extension of Thursday. Ah! I was just running around doing bullshit. I should have checked that. I am a professional. I think there's like a few weeks ago, Twitch was like, your anniversary is coming up. What day should we do your anniversary? And I was like, I don't know, sometime in June. And then it won't tell me when I decided what day it was, and it's like, promote your anniversary. And I'm like, what? When did I say it was gonna be? I was supposed to write that down. Me? Twitch? You're supposed to write that down. It's like, no, you're supposed to remember things. No, I don't want that. No, that's not what I want. It's not under achievements, stream summary, engagement maybe? No. It should just tell me. It should just say, hey, the day we decided for your anniversary stream is... I thought it could have been today. Because it's supposed to be like on the screen, like 1 year of being an affiliate is today. Yay! Woo! Surprise! You did it! But that also might be like why I have free potatoes now. It's Thursday, Maddie. Get it together. Thursday.
Hello?
I don't know what's happening. Did they send you an alert when you hit a year that was like, do your 1 year anniversary stream? But now I have to look who's streaming. Grimy. Vash. Lana is always on. Who else do you watch? Jason. Wow, Jason has 250 people in. Your 1 year will be in November. What are you doing? What are you feeding people? I have a theory that it's because I'm unconventionally beautiful. That people are like, who is this goofball? Oh, I have to go back and forth between you and Chrissy on Thursday nights. It's very distracting. Chrissy's my we grew up together on stream, not in real life. Did I say Thursday again? I told Scrooge I would restart the stream, and he said no. So, blame it on Scrooge. Blame it on Scrooge. He's like, you don't have to restart the stream. I want to see if I can fix that too. Wait, you don't want it to be Thursday? Or you don't want to think that it's Thursday? It's just slightly different vibes. Let's see. When I go here. Where was I just? It's a productive day. Oh, this morning I cleaned out the closet, the outdoor closet. It was shed. And then I found that there's like a, what do you call these things? So we have a tarp, and the tarp has been like accessible to the outside. This is completely different than speeding up an algorithm. You got Taylor Swift tickets? Sheesh. Oh, for your girlfriend. That means you're also going. I feel like everybody's going to see her right now. I saw this article. Hold on. Wasp nests. Wasp varieties? It's like a paper wasp, maybe? No. Mud wasp. Mud wasp. Anyway, so I was opening up the tarp just to make sure there weren't spiders in it, and it like opened up and like basically took the cap off of this wasp's nest. This is why I need a job. Somebody hire me so I don't murder myself with wasps accidentally. And so there's just these like larval wasps just like in there. Nothing attacked me, but I'm like, how do I get it out of there? Terrible. Okay, so I saw this article about concert amnesia. Concert amnesia? Like you go to a concert and then you forget what happened during the concert. It was specifically about Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift concert amnesia. Amnesia. Spelling it wrong. That's... What is M and E? Here we go. Yes. Watch out. It's coming for you. I'm not lying. This is what I read. All right, so this is also an NBC, but who knows what's real. Okay. Basically, you're not gonna remember everything because it's too much. Too much happens. I don't know if that was worth a whole article. It's kind of stupid. Who remembers everything that happens in an event like that? Here, if you want to dig deeper. I haven't bought any big concert tickets this summer. I am going to see... Oh, that's the wrong screen. Okay, hello. Going to see Six the Musical. If anyone is familiar with that. And I'm trying not to get killed by wasps. I can't find the type of wasps that it is, though. They make like little... They look like mud. Like mud... I think maybe mud dovers. No one cares about my wasps. Is it bad taste to show pictures of bugs on your stream? Why is that out? That's there. I don't care about that. Well, I'm not gonna show you pictures of the wasps. All I wanted you to know is that I screamed a little bit, and then I was like, if they were alive, I probably would have been not streaming, because if they're alive, they're just in a pupal state. Pupal? Poop. Yeah, you're never gonna... I don't do spiders. Well... my approach to spiders is... I saw... Okay. Alright. Okay. Not too many more tangents, because if we don't get these tokens going, I might throw this whole project away. Token. I heard that spiders... Oh, what is it? They feel like physical pain when you break their webs or something like that. Because I was just like, destroy it! Spider webs cause me physical, mental pain. What is it? What was it though? Spiders feel pain when you squash
I'm
them in the
the
fall.
potato.
Chrissy, welcome. What? It's not. It's not that dramatic. What did they? It, webs, spider feel pain, webs, website, web loss. Uh, is it pain? Oh, all of these sites say, do spiders feel pain? This is not good. No, this is not good. I don't want to see spiders. I don't want to talk about them. All I want you to know is if you need to get into your planter box, it's okay. They will rebuild. They will rebuild. I've seen them do it in a day. It's fine. We're bigger for a reason. Whew. All right, Chrissy, I have a question for you. So stupid. At I got it down to 2 sounds for your VIP sound. I got a sound that sounds like an owl hooting. I don't know why. It's cute though. And then I got a sound that's like it's like a small portion of the 90s like modem. The like like that. Which one do you like more? It doesn't matter to me. I think they're both funny. Very esoteric. I also have a cat that's like meow, but goofy. But also, you know, that's me. I'm living my best life. Owl, cat, modem. Because I'm like connecting to your stream, right? Like I'm there. I've arrived. Alright. Anyone? Just so you know, if you're there, I'm not gone. I've not experienced this, but I don't think it's specific to Taylor Swift. Just don't be afraid. All right. So last time. Also, it's not Thursday. I'm just surprised no one else has a cat yet, and that none of your sounds are cats, because your cat's always there. And what is it? Kundar says always like, show me the freaking cat. So I don't have it on this computer. I play it for you. Sorry, I'm burping. Okay, back. All right. So last time what we were doing was okay, let me make sure I'm completely okay. I don't know. I'm sort of I do a lot of things. I'm a variety creature. I'm a multi-potentialite. I have many sounds in my life. It's broken. We broke it. The thing that we broke is the TypeScript. Part of me is like, do I even want TypeScript? Do I need it? I mean, probably, yeah. You're so accommodating. I've never once heard myself moo, so it might not even work. Oh, is your Twitch is back? Are you not broken anymore? Let's see if I can give you nope, nope. Users. Users? Users. Yeah. Well, it let me change it, so that's better than last week. All right, so now that we are on extended Thursday, let's extend our feelings about Thursday. So I refuse to talk about anything else about spiders, wasps. I don't know. I don't know how to get them off of the tarp. It's disgusting. It says, oh yeah. So what we did was we installed a hover. We installed something to help us look at type. This little type plugin extension, and I don't know if it's gonna help me that much, but session, existing session, user. I don't even have this. Where is this? That is here. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. So this session token. Okay. So what it's saying is, yeah, lots of words. The types don't match. Whoa, it's just like a cascade of types not matching. But wish I could make this bigger. Pika, yes. Welcome. Thank you for the follow. Do you know anything about TypeScript? Type parameters. I mean, jump on in if you do. I feel like I need to go back up to the top. Session token user. Token. Do I have a JavaScript web token in my model? I am so glad that you got to learn on the job. That's exciting. Where is it getting that from? Okay, so this is what it says is not matching, right? Alright, I hope it's cancelled. I'm already in the soup. Session. Token. Where am I assigning that? I don't see that. Let me see. Where is it? See, this, I'm like sinking below my microphone. This says token. Oh, am I not? Where am I saying that? Is this only searching this file? Cool. Extra cool. If you're joining for the first time, I know it's not Thursday, but wouldn't it be nice if it was? This is SocialFi. It someday will hopefully be a application that allows you to log in with your Spotify app credentials and then interact with other people's playlists and tell them if you like them or not and share your own. But right now it's a test of reading error codes. We are gonna have to fix this issue. So I brought in some code. Let's see, where did it go? Code. Here's the code. Where's the code? Here it is. No, that's other code. Alright, so Scrooge had found this issue. Now, this person was not using TypeScript. They're just using JavaScript. This session object does not match our Prisma schema. Why would they reverse those? It's a Prisma schema, not a schema Prisma. Schema Prisma. Alright, so the first thing it's upset about is that, I think I need to take this. Well, this is our old code that made everything work. Do we need to set a type for existing session? Setting types. Oh. This trigger update. Set the type. It's in the session. I just don't know where these params are. Are they built in? Anything that's built in should be in the node modules, though, right? I am sweating now. Okay, let's look it up. how to use Express. Is the Express session? How to types. Okay, Prisma types, TypeScript types. Okay, that should be helpful. Advanced types safety reference. You can import the Prisma namespace. Okay. Generated types are TypeScript types that are derived from your models. Oh. First tab below shows model. This is, oh, it went behind. This is what we have, right? Ooh, mold. Unchecked input types. I don't know what a relation scalar field. I think I might be out of my depth there. Yeah. I don't have any code that looks like explicitly stating what the type is in the model. But I think that's what this, like in the model, like it says what it is and then the type. Right? So we have the session, the ID is a string. Session token is a string. User ID is a string. Spiders user. So do I need to add just trying to think what's breaking it. Session, existing session. Existing session, I should just check if adapter, Prisma, session, existing session. Response.id, response.name, response. That's weird. Response. Session token. I don't need any of those things. So I don't think this is gonna fix that. But session. It's also way too long. How did they? Are these not? Not really sure. I think these are auto created. I had to add one. Socialify. Let's see. No. Well, how is everyone doing? I don't have an image in my session. I don't need to return the user ID. Name, email, session token. Your return user though. Confused about why it's not returning. Expires at, because that's definitely in there. But maybe we don't need, okay, sessions. User dot session expires. Session. Session expires. Like, that's defined differently. So, like, model user response.user dot so our refresh token is in the account, and the accounts are under the user. So that's why we have session that should it be? Wait. Session dot user dot account 0. Refresh token. Am I reading that right? Hold on, let me see there. NPX Prisma Studio. Alright. So you want to look at a user, don't want to look at a user. You want to look at the session. Dang it. You want to look at the this is cool. That's fine. I can hydrate by myself. I think we figured this out last time, but it's also kind of tricky to see. Because it's not super clear how they're nested. Thank you. I don't know if that was for drinking water. Maybe it was. Okay. The session. Yes. Okay. Great. The account table has the access token and the refresh token. The session also, side note. Oh, did not transition. Weird. Okay. My neighbors. New neighbors. Very new neighbors. Strangest moving in process. One of the strangest moving in processes I've ever seen. They started getting things delivered to their house like 2 weeks ago. It just like sat on their front step. And we don't have awnings really. So, it'd rain. It was just like kind of like get rain on. And then I think they've been having like task rabbits or whatever come. They had the key code and they open the door and like put stuff inside and then leave. And then I think their dad was here last weekend and like moved some stuff from the front door in, and then nobody all week, more stuff delivered. It's like, okay, so it's the 6th. And then yesterday they show up with like just a budget rental thing, and it had like, I've not been watching them the whole time, but it didn't seem to have that much stuff in it. And this is not that strange now that I'm saying it out loud. Whatever. It's my stream, and I can peep on my neighbors if I want. The weird thing is that this morning I go out to like take something to the post office, and I see that they have like a brand new, like completely new Subaru Outback, and I can tell that they just bought it today because in North Carolina, if you have dealer plates, it says like the date, the month from when you bought it on the plates. They like have to write it in, and it was today's date as a brand new Subaru in their parking lot or parking space. And I'm like, what is this process through which I don't. You need to buy a brand new car to go to grad school. Or like, how rich are you? Our neighborhood is not that wealthy. Like, I mean, to rent here, I guess it's around $1,900 a month now, which is so great that we have not moved recently because renting in our region is expensive. But maybe it's a lease. I don't know. A gift of a brand new Subaru Outback. Outbacks are not cheap. I'm just surprised. Because in grad school, okay, my parents sort of bought me a car in grad school, but it was like a 5-year-old Hyundai hatchback. uh, yeah, and I kept that car for a long time, like 10 years maybe. I don't know. I'm not like splashing out on vehicles. Okay, so Subaru is maybe my question. Like Subarus, I associate Subarus with like family, lesbian, middle age, like sporty. Uh, yes. I'm getting nowhere on this project. I don't know how to fix this. I don't know how to update this. Yeah, we have here also in North Carolina, because to drive in some of the back roads you need Subarus, but we also have a lot of outdoorsy, like, queer people, and we also have a lot of families and safety conscious people. I guess I haven't met my neighbor yet. I could be all of those things. But I would also buy a used Subaru. I know the used car market is kind of wild right now too, but just the judgment. Just my first impression is a brand new Subaru. For grad school. I mean, doctor. She's probably in school for a doctor at Duke. Duke, though. Duke. Whatever. I'm allowed to have whatever feelings I want to have. And then I'll park next to them in my 2016 Subaru, which I bought used, and I'm still paying off. But will probably run forever because that's what Subarus do. Do I like this project? Yeah, it's harder to it's harder to hook up the API than I thought it would be. I didn't know I didn't know I'd need to refresh the token every hour, and so I thought it would be easier to get the things appearing in the DOM faster and then be able to play with the front end sooner, so I'd have something to show for it. Do I have one? Yeah, I have one. I get one, right? So let's see code. The refresh token comes with login. And then it helps you get a new access token. think it's like all technically correct. Like, I think we have code that technically works to do it, but the TypeScript, and then the place that we, the code that we borrowed was not in TypeScript, and they had slightly different schema, and so I'm trying to like unify them, and I don't know enough to know what I'm looking for to fix it, and so I'm not really sure what to search for. Yeah. So like I was trying to figure out these errors basically, because it's showing me like basically that the objects aren't configured correctly. Like it's not calling the right thing from the database. I think that's part of the problem. And then I think the other part of the problem is that the initial like where is it at? The initial callback the typing with that, it's like, what do you mean? So I kind of think maybe it's because existing session doesn't exist here in the model, but I also could be wrong about that, because this is just basically a base case to be like, you know, if there wasn't an existing session, like create one. So it's a little bit of oh shoot, what's the word for that? Recursive, right? So before we were trying to refresh the token, like this is the logic we were using to log in, and that was going fine, but nothing's gonna be functional until we have this automatically refreshing itself. So I know it's a little bit boring and annoying, but I want to get it working. So we're redefining the session object here. This is the last thing I did. Hi. Yeah. Bye. I think I could. I don't really know what I would do differently up here if I was gonna rewrite it. And so that's kind of what I'm trying to understand. I don't understand this error. Like, I don't have these parameters in my code. Okay? Do you understand? This isn't in there. I searched for it. It doesn't be there. Yeah, it's okay. I yeah, you have a job. Hopefully Scrooge's meeting doesn't go too long. 'Cause he's the one who gave me this code. I think it's the one that got me into this mess. Yeah. I could try to ask the bot. Where's my bot? Is this where it is? How do you wanna do our class together? I'm just trying not to like get too distracted by everything. It's so easy once you start learning things about software engineering to just be like, oh, yeah, I could learn a language a language every week. Look, a free course to learn everything. Why not? Let's learn everything. And then you realize you don't know anything because you didn't go deep enough. And then you're in a job interview and you're like, yeah, I tried that thing and it's fine. I don't know anything about anything. I know nothing. I'm most confident in asking questions about some things. I can ask questions. Let's see. I don't think everyone is like this, but I like to follow the shiny things. You're gonna send me a book? It's like, oh, it'd be so shiny. I know, I like, you've gotten quite far with software engineering. What do you think you need to catch up with? I'm trying to think if I could get myself into like a product role where I'm not necessarily coding all the time, but more like product managing. It's harder to find entry level roles in tech right now, just no matter what you're doing. What the hell is this song? Spotify's like, go to sleep. Like, no. Maybe I'm just jealous. Maybe I want a brand new Subaru. It's entirely possible that is what is happening. It's like, when my parents buy me a brand new Subaru, never. Maybe when I get my inheritance, they will by proxy. All right, how do I fix this type error? Just gonna put all the errors in there. ChatGPT and I wrote like an entire program the other week, so I think we can figure it out. I'm curious to try Copilot, but I also feel like it might get annoying. Has anyone tried Copilot? Copilot? Why didn't they call it Code Pilot? Code Pilot. Codependent Pilot. Oh, I just got hungry. Where is my stream? I lost it. Alright, so let's see what they say. I need to ensure that the return value of session callback is of the correct type. No shit. No shit. I can read ChatGPT. Why did it add that? Provider account ID. Const response. Const response. I didn't put that in there yet. Const. It didn't really change anything though about this part. Expires. Maybe that is that what's breaking it? Expires. I don't think there was an expires in the token. Oh no. I'm just here to amuse everyone. Add the question mark for me. This did nothing. Date now, 1,000. This computer is useless. I think it does need to reference the schema. By returning a session object that includes the required properties, the type error should be resolved. Also note it did not even remove one error. Let's see. I'm just gonna be the person in the future who's like yelling at the computers, the robots. Be like, you did it wrong, robots. Yeah, I think I do need to do something in the. Wow, is that? Does everybody know? Does everybody No. And I don't know if this is true on Android, but on Safari on your iPhone, you can turn off JavaScript. And I love it so much because it stops ads from running and like pop-ups from running. And basically, you can read like things behind paywalls. So, if you want to watch, like, use recipes that are behind paywalls, or if you want to, I don't know. I never know you could do that, and now I feel like I have an entire part of my life back. All right, back to the computer. Okay, so still broken. If no response, return existing session. Yeah, you didn't help me at all here. This is same. This is all the same. Huh. So Prisma find unique. User find unique. All right, so let's see. We gotta figure out. It's boring ski. Boring stream today. This is kind of a vibe, though. I've been listening to this playlist on stream for a really long time, and some of the songs are like snooze fests, and some of the songs are vibe. They're vibe. So I'm trying to put the ones that I like into a separate playlist called Stream Songs I Like. And so far it's to 32 minutes. The original playlist is 36 hours long. So when we get to a 3-hour playlist of songs I like, I will transition. All of you needed to know that. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. I'm asking ChatGPT questions and it's giving me way too much information. I don't know why it's breaking. I don't know why I can't use the old session object. I'm using session before. Say I use session to return. Like, what if I take this out? And just do like did I spell it right? Session. Is it gonna connect to session? Session. We have a session up here. Ta-ta-ta-ta. Or maybe user accounts. We could call it on user maybe. There's just gotta be a way to do this where I'm not like redefining session maybe. Oh, hydrate. Hello. We're drilling into the expires at, which is in the account model. And the account model is a user dot should read that thing again. Read the thing again. See that they explained it. Not that thing, not that thing. Close that thing. No cache. Okay. So we're fetching a new one, updating the account in the database with a new access token and expire date. I kind of like this one too. It's called Pale Ale. Yeah, I just want to go somewhere. I just want to go somewhere. I'm tired of being here. Does anybody stream like on the side of a mountain? I would stream like seagulls. Can stream some Wheat fields. I I would love that. Could co-stream in the same room. I could box out bubbles. I have about 1,500 channel points in your channel. I'm like tempted to spend them all on IRL bubbles. But house swap. That'd be funny. Oh, is that's when you're going to the outer lands. Outer lands. I'm just so proud of you for getting that together. Putting that together. It was a vibe. Would I get to hang out with Jasmine? Delilah is getting old. Delilah's. Hold on. She's going to be 18 this year? Which is ridiculous because that means I started grad school 17 years ago. I love your cat. So sweet. Okay. Well, I appreciate that. And depending on how I get so freaking sick of North Carolina sometimes. I might take you up on it. Chris will be like, "You're going where now?" I would have to bring Crystal with me, probably. Did I graduate college early? No. I went directly to grad school though. Scrooge, we've tried everything, so I didn't try that many things. I tried to fix an error by removing code. It didn't work. Cannot find name session. It turns out that if you remove a constant, it won't actually reference the constant. It's fine. I thought, it's in the top. User uses. Where is user? User uses accounts. No. I think I need like I don't even need that different of no. I don't need quiet time as much as I need like different scenery. Oh, this needs to stay. Get out of there. All right, so put this back. Just want everyone to know that ChatGPT was patently unhelpful with this error. I did manage to fix one error somehow. So I got my session error back. Still doesn't think next auth exists, which is weird to me because well, I get a good amount of quiet time because Zaniva goes to bed at like 2, sometimes 3 hours before I do. We'll leave that. Prisma adapter. I had Prisma adapter in there. We had it at the top. Oh, my voice died. I swear I saw it somewhere. Weird. Should be in here. Not inside there. Inside there? Well, if you're a quiet time person, you are enjoying the stream today because it's been very chill. So why doesn't it think that I'm using NextAuth? 168. 68. The top. I need to rewrite that part too. NextAuth. That's so weird. It's possibly a win that I have different errors now. But it's also possibly somewhere I need to say what those are. I I don't know what I changed in here. I'm a little nervous about it. One thing you can do is just hit back. Until it's apparently what I just need to remember is that I can't type that well. I definitely started on time today, and I'm like so confused about it. It's like, oh, my time. My time and my time on stream. The time of the hour and my time on stream are the same. It's exciting. It's weird. Weirder things are happening every day. Okay. Oh, I almost read fired instead of freed, and I was really worried for a minute. Because I thought you actually liked your job, and I was like, oh, damn, Scrooge. Knock on wood. You're okay. You're just free. You're free and employed. Happy Thursday. This is kind of a long meeting for you. It's nothing like that 7-hour meeting you had that one day. 7 hours, nonstop fun. What, you don't want to bring it back? Bring it back. Alright, I feel like you're the only person that can fix this. I don't know why. I don't know why. I tried to make it go away and it didn't. I asked the robot didn't help. I don't know enough things about TypeScript to make it go away. I thought it was because these didn't match what we had in schema. But I've been trying to like okay. Well, you know what that means. I'm gonna push it. I'm gonna stop it. I'm gonna push it. I'm gonna do a Python code war because it's Thursday. You know what? Meetings can die in fire. Because I did change Specifically, what? Like one thing? No, I didn't change anything because I didn't save anything. Save it first. I also have made the mistake of not looking at it myself. What did I change though? Oh, update session object. Alright, that's the main change that I made. I got it down from 9+ errors to 8 errors. And then I also was able to include the Prisma adapter. Code Wars! Okay, sweet. Because it's Thursday. Bye-bye. Close that. Close that. Keep that open. Python. Spotify has this new thing where you can, they have like a AI DJ, and I hate it. I usually don't mind AI things, but this one's terrible. Return strings. Okay, should be fine. It talks too much. It changes the complete tone every 5 songs. It plays like every kind of music I've ever played, not just music I like. I don't know. I'm gonna throw out a window. I didn't ask for this. Your algorithm was already doing fine. This is a thing that is going to plague us for years. Is everyone being like, oh, look at us. We've got AI too. It's so cool that we have AI. Look, we're a non-profit that does nothing related to computers, but look, we added AI. We added AI to our thing that doesn't need any AI. Guarantee you. Like, colleges are gonna do it. Yes, exactly. Colleges are gonna be like, hey, come have a AI tour of our campus where you can ask a fake chatbot real questions about how it's like to be a student on our campus. Like, just hire a freshman. Pay them minimum wage. Anyway. Alright, so make a function that will return a greeting statement that uses an input your program should return. Return strings. This is just a return statement. Is it like do we just do can we just do it like a object literal? It's not object literal. No. Is it the same template literal? Yes. It was literal. Is it the same format? Ooh, I don't know. That looks bad. That looks wrong. I have to look it up. How are you doing today? Oh, this looks wrong. Period. Oh, the period is inside. Wait, period is not in it. All right, look it up. Template literal in Python. Python string formatting best practices. Real Python. Oh, this is a lot. Old style string formatting. New style string formatting. Template strings, right? F strings. There's so many. F. Seems unnecessarily complicated. You just put the F in front. Alright. Cool. And an equal sign? Is it equal sign? No equal sign. Equal sign? Oh, equal sign. That was something else. Why are there so many? Is that a different color? I'm turning blind. Okay, and then I don't know if I'm blind. Just have a light here. Screens. I think working in tech is like, why? Is that right? Is this correct? That's correct. Did the other ones not work? Oh, I see. That is the appropriate one. Okay, cool. For the use case, for something like this, I don't really know why you need 102 tests. It's like, sheesh. Oh, and you can do it with single quotes too. Everybody did it a different way. All of them were used. Yikes. Whoa. Yikes. Whoa, George T. Whoa. Wow. Yikes. Okay. Cool. Unnecessary. Unnecessary Christianity. Okay. Oh, okay. Also unnecessary Eminem. Why do people do this? Yeah, I think that was very readable. That was readable. I liked it. It's also the most similar to what I already knew, so also I appreciate that. You can't code under pressure. I feel like this one is also kind of silly. This is like... Wait, can you tell me what the pass is again? Is if we're just returning things. I times 2. I can also look it up. That's right. I mean, if coding tests were like that, I could code under pressure. Turns out they're not. I had to do a test like a month ago where they were like, our product takes voice and converts it to text. So we want you to create the code to show the interval between the natural space in human speech is about 2 seconds when they finish a sentence. So something like this, like the finish of a sentence to start the next sentence, so that the computer knows when to finalize the previous sentence. So like we want you to write the code that tells the computer tells the program when to how to recognize the finish of the previous sentence, like how to say that that sentence is previous and complete, and then when to move on to the next sentence as like a temporary sentence. And I was like, are you kidding me? Yeah, I had 45 minutes to do this. Like, it took me the first, like, probably 15, 20 minutes to understand what the heck they were talking about. And then I was like, math, and then intervals, and then, like, set time out. I mean, I gave it my best shot, but it was a little... It's a tricky thing to explain, like, as someone who doesn't really know what it is, basically, but talk to text. The computer is like always processing what you're saying, but there's like a hello Zodiac Tio. Welcome in. There's like a unfinished version of the text, and then there's like a completed version of it, and they wanted you to create the code to show what the that would tell the computer when to recognize when the speaker had finished speaking the previous sentence, so they could finalize that sentence text and move. And then, oh my god, it was like I was noodleized. I was like, this is the job. This is the work of the coder. Of the when you get hired, you would have like a week to make this code, not 45 minutes. I got it to do something. That's the bar for me, getting it to do something. All right, so we want to say B. B is either true or false, right? And then we want to convert that into true or false. Ugh. So what is a function? It's a method. We call them methods in Python. Method for toString in Python. Really question marks. They just wrap it in that. I already figured out what it was. toString. Is that native? So there's something the other week I had to install it or something. What are you up to, Zodiac? Yeah, I don't think this is built in. Just sure. Is it just sure? Just sure. You would like to learn Python? I'm just learning it by doing it this way. I don't know if it's the most efficient method, but I've already learned JavaScript, so it's sort of a comparison situation. And I read through this document a few months ago. Yeah, of course. So I'm just a little baby Python. Oh, look, you can put it in a template literal. That's thinking. It's a clever. And then there's this nonsense. I just find that so annoying. Alright, so let's see. One more. You would have done it that way? That's funny. Well, I think it's clever. I think toString is very JavaScripty. But I guess we do stringify. Stringify? Sorry. Ah! Stringify. Just make JSON into JavaScript. That's making JSON into strings. Okay. Century from year. Basic mathematical operations. Convert number to reversed array of digits. It's always a slow day when it's a Thursday that's actually a Tuesday. Yeah, you're correct, Zodiac. That's just the method I've used most recently because I've been working with APIs. So that's fresh. All right, fine. Century from year. What do you got for us? Do you remember doing this? Okay. Let's think. How many centuries do we have to do? First century. Okay. Whoa. Given a year, return century to sin. Strict construction. Yes, of course. What do they mean? Strict construction. I feel like when I did this in JavaScript, I did it like as like a massive switch case, maybe. Oh. Well, that's a lot neater. Does Python have math.ceil? Oh, that is exactly how that would work. Yeah. Okay. Sometimes I hate being bad at math. And by bad, I mean like not being clever at it. Round up? It's just the word seal. But I have to import it. Is there a better way to do this, Scrooge? Or would you do it this way? So you do... Oh! This. And then, wait, import math. From math, import seal. From math, import seal. Alright, from math, import seal. Is anything after that? No. Okay. And then you can do return. You can redo, print. Or it's a print. So basically return is print. And then return seal of year divided by 100. You have to write outside the def. Right outside the def. Right outside the def. Do I need to def? Move line 2 to the top? Like that? Oh, above. You told me that the other time. No need to apologize. We're all learning here. Well, I want seal's not gonna work here? Well, the first time I did an import, I did it below the def, and Scrooge was like, I don't know if that will work, because you usually do it above it. And it did. But Code Wars is a special little sandbox. Okay. So do you do Code Wars, Zodiac? So if you do round, do you have to import math? So I live in a world where I don't have to import any math. Oh, wait. There's these double slashies. This is what I did. Me and the majority of the answerers did what I did. If you import math, you can import all of the math. Look at all of this Python I'm learning. I forgot what this does. So just dividing it. All of the math. See, this is what I thought that I did. No, I didn't. No. I thought that I did it like This is stupid. This is bad. Bad code. Bad. Stop it. You're evil. Taking up too much space in the world. Just want to see the other answers. Five divided by 2 equals 2 by 5. 5. Oh, right. Is it funny? Kraken is in here, so there haven't even been any potatoes. Maybe I put some potatoes in there.
I'm a potato.
We gotta have a little potato before I leave, you know? Just, it's not right otherwise. Thank you. Anyway, okay, cool. Okay, enough of that. It's funny from the sense of, like, obnoxious things you can do. Alright, so what I did was today I did some troubleshooting. I changed the fabric of time. I made it Thursday. I tried to figure out TypeScript. Thank you. I did 4 Python problems. I probably should have just done Python the whole time because that made me feel better. And then I got invited to use Chrissy's house. Open invitation. Great. Big day. Maybe I just wanted to be Thursday because Thursdays are usually better. Better for viewership. People towards the end of the week are just like, fuck it, not doing my work anymore. Alright, I think we should go see Tech Savvy Travie. Does anybody know them? Potato of the Week is actually a Thursday thing. I didn't have one because it's not actually Thursday. I don't remember what I said on Thursday. Oh, I had a really cute video. Oh, look, your badge is here. Look, your little VIP badge is back. It's a really cute video about this because it was a spelling bee on Wednesday. You don't believe me? You sound very skeptical. Why are you so skeptical? Don't be skeptical, Chrissy. Alright, I gotta get out of here. I appreciate you all for coming through. And we're gonna go over there. Go say hi to them. And do go say hi, okay? Tech Savvy Travie. It's a favorite. See you soon.